Is it possible to make money while cryptocurrencies are still going down? Today, I'll show you how. Hey, this is Chris from Crypto Team. And while cryptocurrencies are in a downturn, we want to make sure that our viewers are still able to make money. So, one way to make money is to make money off the things that you already buy. And one way to do that is to use receipt apps. The first receipt app that I will review is Receipt Pal. Please feel free to go to our other videos to see the review of Receipt Hog and Fetch. Yeah, so our job is to make sure that while right now cryptos are falling, you can still make money. And there's a lot of people on YouTube and they'll say, okay, you make money this way, you make money that way. And they'll just tell you, but they don't actually do the work and see if their ideals actually work. They just give you what they've heard on other YouTube videos and they don't really test out what they're promoting. So here on our channel, we actually test out what we're promoting. So another way to make a little bit of money on your purchases is by using receipt apps. And these receipt apps will allow you to, like I said, make money on purchases that you want to make anyway. So this review is on Receipt Pal. So let's go to the app. Like I said, I'm sharing my screen again. Go to the app and like I said before, you can always go to your Google Play Store or iPhone repository and pick up these apps. So let's go to Receipt Pal. Click on Receipt Pal. And Receipt Pal's like the other ones, except with Receipt Pal, the minute you start, sometimes they'll give you this bonus, and all you have to do is click on the bonus, and wow, it looks like I got 5 tickets. And most of the times you get 5 tickets, so just expect to get 5 coins when you see the bonuses pop up. Okay, so oh, they gave me another bonus. Let's do this again. I guess I choose the top right. Okay, I've got one ticket. Okay, just like with Receipt Hog, Receipt Pal, you can also connect your accounts, and you can connect anything from Amazon, Instacart, Kroger, and all these accounts listed here. So feel free to connect your accounts, and you can connect your email addresses, and they'll actually go through your email, and there they will actually look for receipts through your email. So, like I said, we at Crypto Team TV, we actually make sure that we try out the products before we recommend them, if we recommend anything at all. So here, like I said, I've been uploading receipts to Receipt Hog, Receipt Pal, and Fetch since July of 2021. And here I've received 4,725 points. So that's more than the 1,500 or so points I received with Receipt Hog. So just like with Receipt Pal, you can use those points that you see at the top of the screen. Use those points to get rewards. So if I click on rewards, you'll see what type of rewards you can get. Currently, there's a $250 sweepstake, and I have six entries out of the 845,000 entries that have been entered, and I can get a sweepstakes, or I can win $250. Here you see that a $5 Amazon e-gift card costs 2,200 points. And you saw at Receipt Pal, I believe it was 1,000 or so points, 1,000 points to get a $5 Amazon gift card. So that right there tells you that Receipt Pal is looking better than Receipt Hog because you need less points. Or you may need more points to get receipts, but you get more points using Receipt Pal than Hog. And like I said, I've uploaded the exact same receipts at the exact same time on all three of the three different receipt apps. So you can see how many points I've received since July of 2001, with all things being the same, apples to apples. So, like I said, I've received 4,725 points since then. And it takes 2,200 points to get an Amazon gift card. And that's level 1. But to receive these points with Receipt Pal, you have to connect your email. I have not connected my email. So right now I haven't unlocked it to get the points. And the reason I haven't done that because I didn't want to redeem anything without doing a proper review so that you all can see that I haven't redeemed anything and everything is we comparing apple to apples and oranges to oranges on all three apps. So here, once you finish level 1, you can get that $5 gift card. And then level 2, to get the $10 gift card, you need to connect your email, have it connected for 30 days, and take a quick survey. So then after you do that, then the $10 will be unlocked, and you can just continue to go on from there. So here, we'll go to the messages. Like I said before, you can see the exact same thing. I uploaded some expired receipts, and you'll see just like the other app, you'll see that they didn't go through. So that's wanted everybody to see we uploaded the same receipts at the same time. So go back to receipts, and we'll simply take a picture and upload our receipt, and we'll see how easy it is here. So we go to the little camera icon, and we'll upload the exact same Dollar Tree receipt as the other videos. Same thing, dollar store. Take a picture. And with this one, you see how it will allow you to take a picture of a longer receipt if you need to. So don't worry about it being long. This is a short receipt. But actually, so we hit submit. So we uploaded the dollar store receipt, and you'll see that on the receipt card it received the receipt. So right here, that's the receipt. We can click on the card. Well, eventually. What the checks mean that you still have receipts to upload on this card. You can go to another card once you fill it up and upload more receipts. But eventually, it will tell you that the receipt was successfully uploaded, and it will tell you how many or how long, as you see. You click on the receipt, it'll tell you if they accept this particular receipt. So let me go back to my messages. So right now it hasn't, the last one I have is December 24th, so it hasn't come through yet. Okay, so this one, that's the December 24th. So eventually this message will come through and it'll let me know that it uploaded, or the receipt is being processed. So right now we see the receipts being processed, and eventually we log back in, it'll tell me how many points it's going to give me for that receipt. So this one doesn't have instant feedback. Just like Receipt Hog, this does not have instant feedback, and it takes a while for the receipts to process. So do I recommend this app, Receipt Pal? Well, I think Receipt Pal is better than a lot of the other receipt applications. At least I was able to get 4,725 points. I don't like the fact that in order to get rewards, you have to jump through some hoops. Like I said, you have to connect your email, and then for level 2, connect your email for 30 days and take a survey. You know, that's a little bit much. So I don't like that, but it is better than some of the other apps that I've seen. This is my review for Receipt Pal. Thanks again. This is Chris from Crypto Team. Thanks again for watching.